Let's go! I started riding when I was just 3 years old. I started when I was a child, then I grew up with a bike, so we are now that I'm a factory GASGAS rider. I love this sport because I like the adrenaline, the emotion that it gives you. It's incredible when you are going fast, full gas through the woods, through the stone. It gives me incredible feelings. I always have fun when I'm riding. That's the most important thing. This is my job, so even if it's a job, it has to give you fun, because if not, you are not fast. So it's really important to have fun. To join GASGAS factory racing team, for me, it's a dream come true. It's a big achievement. It was a dream since when I was a kid to be part of a factory team like this. It's an amazing brand, and it's also good because I'm the only factory GASGAS rider for EnduroGP. In 2021, the best moment was the win of the World Championship in the E1 class in France at the end of the first day, and it was a big achievement because it was my first year with the GASGAS, so it was a big achievement on the first year. My off-season was quite good. I had some relax after the end of the last year, just a few weeks. Then I start again with the physical training. Then again I ride my bike, and then we have some tests to improve the bike, and I was feeling better. So now we are having the first Italian Championship race, and they're going quite good. So I hope to be prepared for the start of the EnduroGP season. This year we are going to have 7 races, most of them back-to-back GPs, but we are also going to have Italian Championship and ISD between the GPs, so it is going to be a busy year. Yeah, last year I was 2021 E1 World Champion, and so this year I had to defend my title. For sure it will be not really easy. I'll try to re-win the E1 World Championship and try to win also some EnduroGP race, and try to do as fast as I can in the EnduroGP class.